Magandang araw, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Bigyan niyo po ako ng kalahating oras ng inyong napaka-importanteng oras. Ayan. Sa araw na ito mga kaibigan, dahil makakasama ko po dalawa sa pinagkakapitaganan. Ang lalim ng word na pinagkakapitaganan, ano? Pinagkakapitaganan, of course, sa pagdating sa showbiz mga kaibigan, sa pagmamanage ng mga showbiz talents. And of course, ngayon, hindi yun ang pag-uusapan namin. Although part of it, medyo ma-mention natin, ano? Pero ngayon, ang pag-uusapan natin mga kaibigan, ang kailang gagawing first ever award giving body. Wow, nakaka-excite ano? Ito'y under sa kanilang company ha. Although noon ay marami na silang ginagawa mga award giving body mga kaibigan ng mga awarding. But this time, first time under their own company. Of course, makakasama po natin mga kaibigan, sila nang bahala na magpakilala ng kailang mga sarili. Magandang hapon sa inyong dalawa.
Magandang hapon po.
Derek, magandang hapon. This is the second time nagkausap tayo.
Yeah, the second time.
Yes.
But this is my third time here in the Challenge Units.
At tulad ng dati, maitim ka pa rin.
Ay! Totoo ba?
Totoo ba?
Thank you.
And of course, pakilala ka muna, Derek.
Hello po, ako po si Direk Mardi, the owner of Artista Film Productions and also the artist manager of some famous content creator, influencer, and blogger and some celebrities lang.
Iyon. And of course, ang napakagwapo. Ayan. Gusto ko yung mga ganitong klaseng katawan kasi pag sa TV, medyo saktong-sakto lang. Tayo kasi, Derek, ang lapad natin eh.
Sinakop natin yung buong stage.
Let's go ahead.
Thank you so much for that, attorney. So, hello guys, my name is Antonio Mad, also known as Your Fellow Dreamer, and I'm very happy to be featured here at I Spotted. Napakasarap ng welcome dito. And also, I am an international journalist and currently the founder as well of Artista Film Production, Artista Achievers Awards 2025.
Oo. Alam mo talaga may mga pinag-aralan ano. Yung tayo pag salita tayo alam mo 'yon, yung pangmasang-masa eh.
Pasensya ka na, wala kang pinag-aralan eh. Charot. Joke lang.
Oh, kita mo pa lang yung first time pa lamang na magsalita siya, alam mo na wow, talaga international talaga ito.
The way he talk, the accent.
Malaman lamang namin sir paano kayo naging international journalist?
Oh yeah, thank you so much for that. So I studied marketing management, and then I managed Blossom's Journal International magazine, and then I proceeded on becoming its editor. And then I go to different islands of the Philippines up until to the international aspect. Until that I've joined different communities of journalists as well as editors. And I gained my membership at Barcelona Literary Groups and got my license at Hellenic Media Group from Greece, Athens.
Wow, sa Athens. Ang dami naman, parang nakakalula naman masyado, Derek. Next time huwag ka magdadala naman masyado, nalulula ako eh.
Ako okay na ako sa IS. Sa elementary school na. Charot.
And one thing.
Hindi ko siya tapos.
Hindi mo ba
So, my apologies. So,
Sige, go,
can I
go
go
ahead.
on?
Just go
Okay.
ahead.
So this is not just a job for me. It's really a passion and a calling. I really love writing wonderful stories from different individuals, and they labeled me as the carrier of wonderful stories.
Oh, wow. O at least the carrier of wonderful stories, hindi the carrier of HIV. Di ba?
Totoo.
Ayan. But anyway, although yung HIV naman kasi talagang nagagamot yan eh, di ba? Nagagamot ang HIV ngayon, kailangan lamang po na wag mahihiya, kailangan ipaalam lamang sa mga kinauukulan. But going back, Derek, pag-usapan natin ang award mo. Anong magiging title ng award giving body ninyo dalawa?
Yan po, it's Artista Achievers Award. So ito yung ang layunin po namin ay mabigyan ho ng parangal. Yung mga taong, maabot namin yung mga taong hindi kayang abutin ng iba. Marami niya sa industriya. Tulad nan, meron akong isang artist. Artista po ito, legit.
Okay.
And
sorry ha, is this for artista lamang, for celebrities lamang?
It's for a businessman. Papaliwanag niya mamaya kung bakit.
Okay.
Paano nasakop ng
yes.
Artista Achievers, yung mga business
yes.
people.
Oh, yeah.
Kasi tulad nung akin, meron ako isang alaga na artista ito, matagal na sa industriya ng showbiz. 39 years in showbiz.
Tagal na.
But no one recognized her.
Oh.
Nung binigyan ko siya, sabi ko, deserve mo, umiyak talaga siya. Kasi alam mo yan, any kind of award, ang nabibigyan na yung mga kung sila maiingay.
Yes.
Sila tumanda na, nagsimula sa showbiz, dalaga pa siya. Ngayon 75 na.
Oh my God.
Mantakin mo.
Pwede ba namin malaman kung sino ito?
Ako po. Si Tita Locsin.
Yeah.
Gloloxin.
Yes.
Oh.
She is napakagaling niyang actress. Talagang, nung kinuha ko siya, hindi siya mahirap turuan kasi artista na talaga, tsaka veterana. Yun lang, kaya medyo nasasaktan ako pag sinabi niya, Direk, kasama ko sa influencer. Yes, hindi po ako sikat. No, mami, it's not about the sikat. It's all about your...
Yung craft niya.
Totoo yan.
Oo, yung naging dedicated siya
At
sa kanyang
hindi
craft.
lang siya.
Oo.
Pati ibang mga artista na talagang hindi naabot ng ibang mga awarding companies. Kasi alam mo kami, ang binabatayan namin, kasi may mga juries kami.
Okay.
Ilalatag namin yung mga artista.
Oo.
Ano ang nagawa niya sa mundo ng showbiz?
Ayun.
Yung naging ambag.
Yes.
Yung kanya, kasi hindi biro maging artista.
Correct.
Or maging komedyante.
Oh, yes.
Masarap, okay lang magdrama, pero yung magiging komedyante, kayo na
Ay,
pinakamahirap.
napakahirap.
Totoo yun.
Oo, napakahirap.
Ako
Ang hirap magpatawa.
Ako komedyante, parang natatawa na sila sa... Ganon. Yun ang layunin namin. So yung tanong nyo kanina, paano na ipasok yung ibang
Yes,
negosyante?
oo. Kasi from the
Correct.
title itself
Yes.
artista, di ba? So akala ko, it's all, lahat ng awardee ay lahat celebrity. So pwede palang hindi celebrity.
Yes.
So paano nga pala ito napasok?
Sagot.
Okay, napakaganda ng tanong, no? The word artista dito sa connotation.
Ganda kasi ng katabi mo eh.
Todo, sobra. So,
Saan nyo yung buhok?
let's go back to the topic. Artista, dito sa Filipinas, sa atin is celebrity yung term nun.
Yes.
But it's actually a Spanish term, di ba? Artista, it means artist.
Yes.
And artist doesn't mean about fame. It's all about your contribution in the creative world.
Tama.
Diba?
Tama.
And ang nakagandahan lang dito, the term is Artista Achievers Awards. So the artist achievers.
Oh.
And if we go back to the root kung saan nanggaling ang artist, we realize it comes from the creativity of every individuals. And in any aspect of industry, mapa, engineering, medias, writers, performing arts, everything that involves with human intervention has this essence of creativity. So we can say as long as you are a human being, you are an artist. You are the one who craft your own narrative. In everything that you do, there's always an artistic side of it.
Oh, yes. Totoo nga naman.
Yeah.
And there's a lot of award-giving bodies in the Philippines. Nagsulputan na. Para
Agree.
silang, parang mushroom na eh.
Kaya
Diba?
nag-mushrooming nga eh.
Yeah.
There's
Para siyang
mushrooming about that.
mushrooming na the country. How is it differ from other award-giving bodies?
Okay, yun nga. So we are here to celebrate not just about the achievement itself, but about humanity as a whole, the artistry of humanity. We are into that. So it's not about fame, it's all about the contribution towards their platforms. And I really admire, family kasi natin lahat yung mga awarding giving body. And everyone who recognize, to recognize is a notable path. Because you are seeing the value of each individual's contribution towards their job. So, and right now, we are prepared, we are now walking into that aisle as well with them to contribute our community service, to promote and to encourage, to inspire individuals, especially the young generation, to see that na merong value sa mga ginagampanan nila sa buhay. And everyone is recognized for that.
Oh.
May tissue kayo?
Bakit?
Dugon-dugon na yung... Galing niya mag-English, Sana,
Nakakainis ka. Ang ganda naman sinasabi yung binabasag mo eh.
Nahirapan na talaga.
Dapat talaga may sarili kang ano eh. May sarili ka dapat na interview eh.
Charot lang.
Ang ganda-ganda ng mga sinasabi, Derek.
Sige, proceed.
I think it's right, attorney, right?
Yeah.
Na kailangan natin nabigyan halaga.
Yes.
Lahat ng mga trabaho, whatever status or platforms they are contributing of. We need to appreciate what humanity can do collectively. And if yan yung ipopromote natin, our younger generation or the following generation will ponder on that. Titingnan nila, titingalain nila na, may value pala itong ginagampanan natin. Hindi lang about sa yung mga big names na mga platforms.
Correct.
But
Correct.
in any platform, we value that.
Yes, oo. So yung mga hindi na bibigyan ng pagkilala ng mga ilang award-giving body na ang kinikilala lamang ay yung mga nasa estado ng lipunan,
Correct.
yung mga mayaman, ito ang mabibigyan ng inyong award-giving body.
Like what you did, English like what you're doing now, it's an art.
Ayun.
Yun lang kayo.
Hinintay ko talaga ito, himig talaga.
Sige, bigyan.
Nagabang talaga ako ng
ng
kasunod.
ginagawa natin. Tulad ni Kuya, cameraman.
Oo.
The way na mag-shot siya in every angle,
Yes,
that's an art.
Correct.
Yeah.
The way you asking me, like in English, in Tagalog, in English, that's an art.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Oo.
So
Pumasok.
that's what we did. Not just people who are being seen in the lens of the camera, but also behind the camera. Everyone has their contribution, major contribution from all the staffs and from the management, and we just wanted to give them the proper honor for that.
Ang tanong ko, why only now?
Why only
only
now?
now?
Because I believe that saying is, there is a time for change. I know. may
Every time.
panahon talaga. Yeah. Sabi nga, there's a time for
Everyone.
everything. Yes.
And paano nyo nalaman na this is the right time for you to give to have an award-giving body?
Ikaw nga sumagot.
Okay.
Sige.
Okay. Right now, why we have chosen to collaborate and to build this Artista Achievers Award to recognize artists all over platforms. It all began once we got connected.
Okay.
After I moved on from my previous awarding-giving bodies as the vice president of that awarding-giving body, we collaborated.
Okay. So you're not connected to that award-giving body already?
No.
Anymore?
Yeah, I'm no longer connected.
Okay, so you're more on concentrated here.
And now, sa Tagalog, hindi na siya vice. Founder na siya.
Wow.
Diba?
Okay.
Yeah, and I get really interest that Artista Film Productions offered me to collaborate with their awarding giving body, and I've noticed in their name Artista, and I just felt the iconic ring to it towards Filipino, and then I tried to do some research, and I understand Artista is not just for celebrities; it's for all. So I can
Correct.
see the huge and major what you call that major contribution that this awarding giving body can give, not just for the show business but to any platform.
Bakit ang ano ng puso mo sa pagbibigay ng award?
Yeah.
Or you mean, parang ang baba ng puso mo para mabigyan ng pagkilala ang mga Pilipino?
That's really a passion of mine. That's why I'm in the pursuit of being a journalist. I'm going to different countries, different islands of the Philippines, just to understand more about the potential of humanity. And after I've been collaborated with different medias and magazines, I've never thought that God would bring me to this platform that I'm going to recognize these remarkable stories. And day by day, as I awarded different people, reading their storyline, and before giving them the proper honorary title, there are stories, it's like a puzzle pieces that I gain and help me grow as an individual.
Tuwa naman ako.
Hindi ko naintindihan yun.
Oo.
Pero nakakatawa, no?
Natuwa ako pero hindi ko rin naintindihan.
The accent and the sound of tones.
Pero because you're very young.
Yeah.
You're very young at the age of
26.
You're only 26 years old, and yet ang puso mo ay mabigyan ng pagkilala ang bawat Pilipino, na hindi lamang yung mga Pilipino nga na nabanggit ko kanina, yung mga mayayaman at mga nasa politika, kundi pati yung mga maliliit.
Correct.
Na alam mo naman na malaki ang contribution sa bawat isa, sa bawat tao na successful.
Yes.
Di ba?
Tama.
Kasi katulad ko, sabihin natin successful ako. Hindi ako magiging successful kung wala yung mga taong na nasa likod ko. Ang cameraman, ang writers, and everything, di ba? So, ang galing na ng concept ng inyong award giving body,
Minsan
no?
nga nagtanong siya sa akin, sabi niya, Direk, alam ko marami naniniwala sa akin, pero may magtatanong talaga na, I'm so young. Sabi ko, ganito lang yan. Sa panahon ni Jesus, bata at the age of 13, nangangaral na siya sa lahat. At lahat nakikinig. Hindi ko sinabi si Jesus, but it's similar.
Oh.
O, di ba? English yun. Ganon.
Talaga nag-aral ka ng ganon? Hindi mo paniwala.
Nakapanood ko ng English.
Para ayaw, alam mo, sa totoo lang, para ayaw kita interviewin dito. Ang ganda, ang sarap-sarap na usapan, ang ganda na usapan. Hindi ka mo pumapasok na ganyan. Parang, maniniwala ba ako dito kay Direk? Hello, ang buhay ni Jesus, alam?
Nag-aral din ako sa Bible School. Charot.
Okay. So, sino ang ngayon, until now, you're still accepting?
Yes, of
we're
course.
still-
Yes, of course.
Oo. So, paano kayo kumukuha ng mabibigyan ng award?
Actually, it's a good thing. It's a nice question. And I think I need to answer in English. Alam niyo po,
Kala ko English.
alam niyo po nakakatuwa. At maraming salamat sa mga nagtiwala.
Yes.
No, kasi sabi pa nga kasi kami ang mga produkto namin ang nagsasalita, ang nagpapatunay. Ngayon po, marami po talagang tumatawag at nag-inquire. So ang ginagawa namin, bina-background check namin.
Ay, ang galing.
Meron kami background check kasi mamamaya, ma-awardan namin, criminal pala, mahirap na masira pa kami. So ganon. So mamaya ang ma-awardan namin ay part ng flood control issues. Walang ganon. So alam mo yun, nag-iingat kami. Ganon. So, pero thank you kasi marami talaga nag-inquire. Thank you talagang, and I'm very thankful kasi yung slot namin paubos. And we are very thankful for that.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I can add up.
Yeah.
So we actually have honorary consultants that can reach out people who have the credibility enough to be awarded. Then we also have a submission form through Google Form that they can submit their biographies, achievements in life for a proper evaluation to our jury system. So our jury is consisted of different journalists from different countries and also part of our core team. Then we are giving them the proper credible title as to recognize them for that.
So maganda kasi na-scrutinize din ang mga requirements, ang mga nila,
Meron
criteria,
naman
kumbaga, no?
process.
Oo, ang galing. Ang galing, hindi lamang basta tanggap ng tanggap.
Correct.
Oo,
Meron siyang
talagang
one-on-one interview via
Zoom.
Zoom.
Oh, ang galing.
Or sometimes written interview.
Kanina,
If
in from Alaska, USA, dalawa sila.
Dalawa sila
Mga owners.
Talaga? Is it exclusive for Filipinos only?
No po.
Meron tayong mga awardees sa ibang bansa.
Even one of the celebrity actress in Hollywood coming to the Philippines to
Si
receive
Vicky
and to be
Dali.
part of the award.
Vicky Dali.
Yeah,
She's
Vicky
also
Dali.
To be
Sino?
awarded.
She's a Hollywood actress.
Wow.
Vicky Dali. Yes.
Wow. And she's not a Filipina.
No, she's American.
Ang galing naman.
Yeah, even the director coming also and some of the press media.
Ang galing.
Pilipino English ko pinag-practice ko.
And I'm very happy that a lot of people supported, especially my
Amen.
international media communities. We have been published to more than 400 sites already, even in US. And we're very happy of that with their support about recognizing the contribution of humanity in artistic ways as possible.
Kung sakali meron akong gustong ipanominate, paano?
There are three process for that.
Okay.
First process is you can go to the actual Google form, and there are some questionnaires and also submission of your resume and portfolio, and so that it will go through an evaluation process before receiving the official recognition letter. And the next way is to directly communicate with the official page or the website of Artista Film Productions.
That's the Facebook page. Artista
page.
Film Production.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
and we also have a website for that that they can submit their form directly or just the message, and as much as possible marami tayong mga secretary naman na tawag nito,
Sasagot.
accommodate sa kanila.
Yes. Oo,
Yeah.
oo. How young ang pwede? How young ang pwedeng mabigyan ng award? At saka how old?
Yeah. So in relation with age, it's not really about age. It's all about the contribution to a specific platform.
yes.
We have awarded actors, mga bata pa, mga child star actors. Yeah. So age is not a limitation, but as long as they have something that contributes and inspire towards people that look up to their platform, then that is someone that we can recognize.
Ang galing.
Galing, no?
Ang galing naman. Nako, parang ngayon pa na na-excite na ako.
Yeah.
Nakaka-excite.
And I'm very happy for
Oo,
that.
so marami na.
And I look forward.
Yes po. Makikita niyo sa page namin.
Oh, wow. Oo. Anong makukuha na mabibigyan ng award?
Okay. So, ano ba ang makukuha na magbigyan ng award?
Yes.
First thing is, of course, recognition.
Yes.
And we are giving them the proper mileage for that. We
Yeah,
are
kasi kasi merong mga individual na nahihiya sila eh. Nahihiya sila na
Yes.
baka sabihin self-service, no, na ipangalandakan yung mga nagawa nila.
Yes.
Nahihiya. So kayo ang magiging magiging way para maipaalam sa publiko ang kanilang mga magandang nagawa sa kanilang komunidad.
Agree. So it's not just about fame, it's all about to recognize the contribution of an individual.
Ang galing.
So hindi siya, yung iba kasi, if you're just going to recognize yourself, that is self-promotion.
Yes.
And that's why with the help of people who have the proper due process of recognition,
Correct.
then it's not just about you, but also the community within in this society na mag-appreciate and magsa-celebrate sa ginagawa natin.
At kayo ang proper channel
Thank you.
para ipakita, para
Yes.
ipaalam sa publiko yung mga gandang nagagawa.
Amen.
Ang galing-galing.
Channel of blessing.
Channel of blessing.
Okay. Direk, sir, kung meron pa yung gustong ipasabihin, please go ahead.
I would like to invite you all, and if you have someone na gustong i-nominate from different, if that person is an advocate, a humanitarian advocate, then you can actually send an email to artistaachieversawards@gmail.com, or you can just check out our page or our website so that they will be properly honored. And thank you so much for every affiliated medias that we got, local and international. And thank you so much for iSpotted. And also for all our sponsors from Varia Health and from Jack Aesthetics, from Artista Collections, all the content creators, artists that is part of this team and staff. I really appreciate you all.
Pakitagalog, Direk.
Thank you, salamat po sa lahat sa mga maraming salamat attorney sa pag-invite sa amin. Isa itong malaking karangalan. Hindi biro makatungtong ka dito at makaharap ang iba-ibang klase ng camera. Totoo talaga, at makaharap sa attorney. Diyos ko, napakalaking bagay po. Isang malaking karangalan. Babalikan ko kayo.
Pag mabait.
Yes.
Pag mabait talaga.
Thank you, attorney.
Thank you so much,
Yun ba yung parang ang haba ng sinabi niya eh.
First of all, thank you so much to all my friends outside in Manila, outside in the Philippines. Thank you so much.
Kaya alam ko to si Direk talaga.
nakakatuwa.
Kaya thank you so much, Direk.
Thank you
Maraming
so much
salamat.
po.
Thank you so much. Maraming salamat.
much po.
Ang bilis na usapan natin,
Kaya,
no? Parang
ang bilis
kulang na
po.
kulang. Kaya lang talagang ganun talaga ang hanggang ganun lang talaga oras
At least
natin.
walang dead air.
Pero babalik pa rin kayo.
Thank you so much
Pagkatapos ng
po. Thank you
award
so
giving
much
body,
po.
balik kayo dito
I will be.
kasama ang iba sa mga nabigyan ng award.
Okay, thank you
Yeah.
so much. for
Okay. So maraming thank you. Maraming thank you sa inyong dalawa. Thank you so much. At maraming salamat sa inyong lahat mga kaibigan. Maraming salamat sa pagsubaybay. Maraming salamat sa inyong 30 minutes ng inyong oras na ibinigay dito sa amin. Kami pa rin po ang inyong nakasama. Pinag-usapan namin ang tungkol sa Artista Achievers Award na malapit na. Uy, teka muna, kailan nga pala to? Sorry.
November 30 in Heritage Hotel.
November 30 na po. November 30 na po sa Heritage Hotel, mga kaibigan. At doon sa mga gusto na maging ma-nominate o gustong mag-nominate, puntahan nyo lamang po ang Facebook page na Artista Film Production at mag-chat lamang kayo doon dahil very, very napaka-accommodating po ng mga tao doon para po sagutin ang inyong mga katanungan. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat at hanggang sa susunod, ako pa rin po inyong nakasama, ako pa rin po si Anton at ito pa rin po ang I Spotted. Bye!
Thank you. Thank you.